everybody, it's your girl Locked and Loaded. Today's video is just me attempting and failing just about at my first DIY. I've been wanting a DIVA ring, but if you look on Amazon, they are a bit pricey. So I got this idea from Taneiya and Jeff of a do-it-yourself DIVA ring. As of right now, I'm just explaining to you guys how I failed horribly at paying attention to details. Her green wreath, you can buy that at Walmart, was only 18 inches, of course. Mine was 20, and it also does not fit on the back of this box. You will need cardboard. Yep, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of improvising, as you can see. You also need some wax paper, marker, some scissors, and some zip ties. I got those from Family Dollar. They're about like $1.19, and then just some dollar tape as well. And then I'm gonna begin my rant of the lights. Her lights were only probably like maybe 16 inches. Walmart did not have what I need, so I bought 30 inches. As of right now, I'm improvising like I always do. I am basically using that box for like half. I'm gonna measure 1/2 of the wreath, cut it out, and then go basically use like the same end and use the other half for the other half of the wreath. You guys are watching me struggle with this cardboard because it almost won the fight. I don't know if it's just because, cardboard isn't made for cutting, or I just lost the race. So here I have half of it cut out already, and I'm about to cut the other half. As you can see here, I'm taking my halves just to measure and see what I have. And look at there, another fail. I'm still missing some off the top. So guess what I'm gonna do? Improvise. I'm grabbing just a spare piece, seeing how much I need to cut off. Oh, if you guys see my phone in the bottom corner, I actually forgot the steps of the video. So I was watching her while I was doing this and making sure I didn't forget anything, and I still forgot a step. But that's fine because I'm new at this and I don't mind showing you guys my fails. And right now I am taking my tape and I'm basically taping my 3 pieces or my 3 halves all together just so that they form a circle. Alright guys, well I have finished my foundation of the cardboard, and now I am taking my pieces of foil and I'm wrapping them around my cardboard ring. If you listen to her video, she says that it gives like a reflection off of the lights. So that's what I'm doing now. Do not judge me for cutting my pieces in half. I thought I bought a separate box for this project only, but I don't know if it's lost in my truck or I just forgot it. I don't know what happened, but that's fine. Call me cheap, but I ball on a budget whenever I need to. So you're just going to see me take these pieces, cut them in half, and wrap them around to complete this circle. And here comes the fun part, and I mean that in the most sarcastic way. This part took so long. I don't know if it's just because I bought an extra 16 feet of lights or what, but I was on live on Facebook and then I was on live on Instagram just trying to get myself through this. It took so long to place the lights where you want it, zip tie it, and then I was basically just making my way around, and I don't know why, but it took forever. But as you can see, I'm just opening the lights, trying to get them untangled as possible, trying to figure out where the end was. And now I'm placing the beginning of the lights on here, and I'm going to start zip tying, and I'm going to make my way around the circle. I thought I can be lazy and just do like one per section, but as you start to wrap more around, you will need to add more zip ties, and it does become a mess. Alright guys, so I have finished zip tying the lights on there, and I actually forgot to put the foil and the cardboard while I was zip tying, so I had to go in and basically just finagle that on. And as you can see, I started to put the wax paper on and forgot that I had to cut the excess part of the zip ties. Please be careful, it is very, very sharp. As you can see guys, ripped my wax paper, and now I'm just trying to figure out what is the easiest way to get the wax paper on my wreath without like ripping it. But I don't know, I think I just put my zip ties on wrong because they were ripping right through the wax paper. So I'm just trying to figure out the easiest way to tape it on there without it ripping and not looking completely raggedy. And now it's time for the finishing touches. I turned all the lights off, and plugged up the DIVA ring, and it doesn't look too shabby. It looks completely a mess, but I mean, you do what you can. If you guys have any questions on how I completed this, just shoot me a comment below and I'll try to respond as quickly as possible. My DIY ring. Thanks guys. Have a good night.
All I really wanna see is the I don't really need a D, I need the all a bad bitch need is the